How to log in to Amazon account. So if you want to log in to Amazon account, then first of all you have to install that Amazon application. So to install, you have to open up your Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, on the search bar you have to search for Amazon, and here you will have the application. You have to simply tap on install to install this application, and after installing you can tap on open. And now to log in, you have to tap on already a customer, but if you don't have an account, then you can tap on create an account. But if you want to log in, then tap on already a customer. And now to log in or to sign into your account, first you have to enter your email address or your phone number, and after entering your email address or your phone number, you have to tap on continue. And now you have to enter your Amazon's password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply tap on forgot password, and after entering your password, tap on sign in. And that's it guys, that's how you log into your Amazon account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.